Hey everybody, 80 Jackson 330 here, and today I'm filming a plan with me for the week of March 19th through the 25th, and I'm going to be using the VillaBeautifful March kit called Me Time. It is my favorite kit ever, tons of nap-themed items. I'm going to be planning in my March untimed 3-column daily inserts from Annie Plans, and if you check down in the description below, I have discount codes for being on the PR team for both VillaBeautifful and Annie Plans, so be sure to check that out and save some money on your inserts and stickers. So I'm going to start by laying down the date covers. I'm going to use the stickers that were included with the VillaBeautifful kit. She gives 2 options, so I chose the lighter one for this week. And I'm going to be mixing those with some foiled gold date numbers from my newest addiction. And this is a fun week to plan because I'm actually collabing with my planner bestie Pia, who is Have a Pretty Plan on Instagram. I'll link her account below. And we'll be planning this week using the same VillaBeautifful March kit. We're both using Annie Plans inserts, but different layouts. And it's so much fun to work with a planner friend and do this because you kind of get to show off your differing styles and come up with your own hashtag. So you can see our photos for this week's theme on Instagram under hashtag VBMeTime. As always, I'm going to speed up this plan with me video. One, because I didn't figure anyone would want to see me struggle with laying down stickers straight, or the blank pauses where I'm trying to locate a sticker on my messy desk. And 2, because I honestly prefer the shorter videos myself. First off, they take a whole lot less time to upload, and second, I'm still trying to get the hang of being chatty and filling up the quiet without sounding like a robot and just listing off shops. On most of the surveys I've seen online, people seem to prefer the talkative videos over the ones where music is just playing, so I'm going to keep trying. Just bear with me, please. I also tend to watch the shorter videos over the longer ones when I'm binging on YouTube, unless there's a specific thing I'm looking for. So if there is a sticker or an action or anything like that that you have a question about or that I don't mention in this voiceover, please feel free to leave that in the comments for me, and I always try to tag all of the shops that I feature on my Instagram account, and that's always linked in the description below. Now back to the kit. So when I first heard the theme, I was so excited because if there are 2 things I'd say that I was known for on Instagram, it's probably my love for all things nap and succulent related. I love the neutral color scheme and all of the subtle pinks that were included, and I knew that I would have a ton of accessories as far as extra succulent stickers and pink details to add, as well as some foiled accents, of course. But honestly, I was a little bit hesitant whenever I saw all of the abstract prints in the sneak peeks. That's not really my style, so I was a little nervous on how I was going to make it work for me, but Tiffany did such a great job with designing this and making sure that everything coordinated so well that I really feel happy with the way this layout turned out. For the full box placement, I like to try and vary it up a little bit while still making sure that I have plenty of room to plan and still have my to-do checklist over in the corner. So I make sure that I have at least 1 sticker in every column or corner throughout the week, so that way it doesn't feel super repetitive. I also pull in a lot of other decorative bits from other shops or from my Happy Planner sticker books to make it feel unique and different from other layouts using the same kit. I've been really into layering lately, and I totally blame that on Pia. She has the best layouts, and they always look so effortless and stunning. After all of the full boxes are placed and I'm happy with the way that those look, then I put down all of my definite plans. For this week, that means trash day on Monday, recycling on Wednesday, 3 practices for my son's baseball team, a field trip on Friday, and The Walking Dead on Sunday. The shops that I'm layering with the quarter and half boxes from this kit and using as accent stickers for these events are Stickerific for the trash can and TV icons, Grumpy Bear Sticker Co., who used to be Glitter and Chai, for the ball practice and the field trip stickers with the cute little backpacks, and Fox and Pip for the Walking Dead inspired girl. And these are shops that you'll hear mentioned in just about every Plan With Me video that I make, and that's because I am a very loyal shopper when I find something that I like. These shops never failed to make the cutest items, so I love using their stuff and showing them off as often as I'm able to. And no, I'm not on any of those PR teams, but I do truly love their products, so that's why I recommend them all the time. The planner community is nothing if not a bunch of enablers for pretty planner pieces. Now this month's kit didn't have the usual headers included, but thankfully I had a sheet of glitter headers saved from Let's Make It Sparkle that matched perfectly. Almost too perfectly, actually, because it was really hard for me to choose which of the colors to use. I ended up going with one of the glittery golds that matched really well, and I just put that in the same place on each day to mark my daily to-do list. And this is really random, but does anyone else struggle with the decision on whether to write something underneath your daily checklist or to use one of your pretty icon stickers somewhere else in your layout? Because I do, honestly. I spend way too much time stressing out over which one to do. Because if my to do list is looking pretty empty, I feel like I need to write it there, but there's just so many cute stickers that need to be used. It's a struggle, really. Hashtag planner problems, I guess. Another problem that I have is deciding what to do on this first page of this layout. Tons of people use it for fitness goals or meal planning, but I don't do either of those things. I used it for a photo challenge I was doing, but then I started slacking on that. So for now, I'm just using it to kind of keep track of my priorities, the big things that need to get done those days, or if there's a holiday or a birthday or something like that. But if you have any suggestions for that little area, let me know, please, because I am also struggling with that. Also, how amazing do these Stella Fox and Pip bows match the VillaBeautifful kit? The neutral tones look so good together. As the unofficial Fox and Pip fan club president, it is my job to use as many Fox and Pip stickers in a layout as I possibly can. And please don't get me started on the VillaBeautifful deco that was included in this kit. It is amazing, not to mention the digital art, which is absolutely gorgeous. I haven't printed it off yet, but that's only because I've been procrastinating still on opening my Silhouette machine. I haven't bought any vinyl or sticker paper yet, aside from a Silhouette brand pack of 6 pages maybe from Hobby Lobby, but I'm sure I'm going to need more than that due to the trial and error portion of aligning and cutting some of the horror stories that I've heard. Plus, I still need to watch approximately 1,000 YouTube tutorial videos before I feel comfortable firing it up. It's intimidating because so many people are making all of these wonderful crafts that I want to try, and yet so many people are threatening to throw the thing out of the window because it gives them so many problems. But I've wanted one for so long, and it's just been sitting in my craft room closet for months now, so someone please send me some motivation to open it up. So before this video gets too far ahead of me, I thought I'd tell you all about the washi I'm using this week. The black and white grid washi is from Washi Gang. The eyelash washi was included in the March VillaBeautifful Me Time kit. And of course, the foiled bows are from Simply Gilded. I chose to use gold foiling accents this week, so I'll be using a lot of the neutral tapes that she released a while back. And I have some newspaper print tape that came in a tube from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm just going to go through and add in some deco to fill in some of the emptier spaces in the layout. On days I know there's not going to be a lot going on, I'll be using some deco from the kit as well as some Fox and Pip girls. And I cannot tell you all how much I love this sheet of decorative icons. I think it'd be like the perfect just individual sheet to offer in the shop because it's so versatile. You can use it with all kinds of different layouts and color schemes. I mean, the book stack, coffee, wine, the pillows, it is so cute. This is one of the hardest parts of decorating for me is adding in all the additional items after I get my main stuff laid down because obviously I want to have really pretty before the pin shots for Instagram. I'm all about decorative planning while also remaining functional, but then it's okay, how much is too much? Do I want to add this here? Make sure I get all of my favorite shops included. And it can be difficult, especially when you're on camera. You can feel the pressure like, okay, well if I rip this up on camera, people are going to see, and I won't be able to just hide it with a sticker and nobody will know. So, and I've really been slacking on filming as far as Plan With Me is. I think it's been a month or so since I last filmed one, and that was by Hello Petite Paper, and it ended up being probably a minute or two after I sped it up. I got really sick a while back and had one of those terrible coughs where, you can't even talk for 4 seconds without coughing all over everything, and obviously I didn't want to do a video with that, so I just played music over it and uploaded it since I had already filmed it. But then I just kind of got out of the groove of filming every week, and it got to the point where, okay, I need to hurry up and plan and get my week ready, or I will not plan at all. And I just skipped the filming. That and all of the YouTube guidelines and everything was just really frustrating as a content creator to constantly feel like you're having more and more obstacles before you, can reach a milestone. So it's frustrating, but I do enjoy making these videos. I hope you guys enjoy watching them. And I'm trying to expand a little bit instead of just doing just hauls, unboxings, Plan With Me's. I've got some fun ideas for videos for in the future, and I'm really excited about trying some new things out. My 1-year YouTube anniversary is next week, and I'm looking forward to adding that into my social media planner. It's a big deal for me because it did take a while for me to work up the nerve to even start this channel. I went back and forth over it for months and finally decided to just jump right in and give it a whirl. And for anyone out there who has been contemplating starting a channel of their own, I highly recommend giving it a shot. There can never be enough inspiration or enabling in this community. There's always room for more planners, more hauls, more community-related chats and hacks. I love finding new channels to binge and learn from. And it's not like you have to have a fancy camera or lighting equipment or anything expensive like that to start your own channel. So if you do decide to start a channel, or if you already have a planner related channel, link it below in the comments so I can follow you and check out your videos. And for the last little bit of this plan with me, I'm just going to add a little bit more decoration. I love this planner lineup from Fox and Pip, as well as this top knot double shot sticker, which is definitely me. So I'm just kind of filling in some of the full box areas because I don't really like blank full boxes. As you all know, if you've watched my videos before, I like to fill those in with quotes or decorative stickers. And then I'm going to add some of my favorite relaxed themed Me and My Big Ideas stickers from the Happy Planner sticker books. This quote, "Stop the glorification of busy," is one of my favorites ever because I'm one of those people who feels like I need to have a full to-do list checked off every day to feel productive. And that's not always something that's necessarily true or even possible some days. I think we all, especially as planners, need to remember to give ourselves some grace and embrace the lazy days and take some time to practice a little self-care. And I'm a huge fan of naps, so that helps a lot too. Also, while I'm thinking about it, some of you may know that I was in a Happy Planner for a long time before I made the switch to using a traveler's notebook. I've been thinking about getting a new one to use as maybe a social media planner, just because I've missed the Happy Planner community, to be honest. I mean, I'm currently using a recollections planner from Michaels to track all of my social media and design team stuff, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Sound off in the comments and let me know. I always overthink things, whether it's sticker placement or switching planners or inserts, so I welcome any and all ideas and inspiration. Besides, you can never have too many planners, right? I think that just about does it for this plan with me. Thanks for sticking around through all of my rambling. As always, don't forget to check out the video description below. That's where you can find all of the links I mentioned, plus my discount codes to save a little bit of money at some of my favorite shops. I hope that you all enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed planning this week, and if you did, please consider giving this video a like, subscribing to my channel, and following me over on Instagram for more planner and stationery pics and my latest obsession, obnoxious get-to-know-me Insta story quizzes. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!